Dear principals and the Centre Superintendent for CBSE Board Examination 2025-2025. So I am sharing here some information how to do the packing and dispatch procedure for answer book of CBSE Board Examination 2025. So please note down, while you are sending answer sheet, along with answer sheet, 7 necessary documents, 5, 6, 7, yeah. So 7 necessary documents we have to send, answer sheet plus other some items. Please note down, and it is already sent to the official email ID, the CBSE email ID. So it is already shared, and with the checklist you will find one checklist there. So in the box the checklist is given, so you have to, of course you might have seen that one. If not, so please note down and please ping this video so that whenever you have some doubt you can see. 7 necessary items you have to send along with the answer sheet, right? So, and while if you have any doubt, you can note down, my WhatsApp number is given in the description, and even the Facebook, everything is given. So whenever you find anything, any problem while packing or anything related to examination, you can directly ask me. I hope I can support you. I can provide my support in order for this case, right? So the first thing is that answer sheet. And all the answer sheets should be in century, roll number century. All the century should be according to the roll number, not to the, means don't think that it is 100 answer sheet, not. So roll number, so every roll number starting from, for example, it is given here, I am giving one more example. For example, suppose it is starting 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 1. It starts from here, again it will go 1, 2, 3, 100. Okay, you can see here it starts from 001 to 100. This is 1 century. Sometimes in your examination, so you may not be getting this number. So your number may be 1, 2, 3, 0, 25, starting from 0 to 5, maybe 1, 2, 3, 0, maybe 0, 0, 71. Okay. So now it is starting from 25 and going up to 071. So that is also 1 century. Maybe the next roll number may be starting from what? 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 105. Consider like this. Then it will continue up to 1, 2, 3, 200, maybe 200 or may not be 200. So here you can see it starts from 105 and goes up to 200. This is also 1 century. Every century according to the roll number will be 1 packet. So all the answer sheet means according to the century you keep inside a zip packet. Okay, polythene packet, zip folder you keep inside. One more century also. If you have 2 century, then on the top of the, means on the top of the, not on the answer sheet, not on the answer sheet. Point to be remember. Sometimes you are writing on the answer sheet, not on the answer sheet. So on the cover, means maybe if it is transparent cover, then you can write 1 out of 2. If you have total 2 packet. If it is 3, then you have to write 1 out of 3, then 2 out of 3, then 3 out of 3. So like this. And after that, all the centuries according to the roll number, 1 packet, 2 packet, 3 packet, then you give some cardboard up and down, then you tie this one with one thread. Okay. Now answer sheet work finished. It should be according to the century and it should be tied giving some support. Okay, some hardboard or cardboard something, then you have to tie with what thread or something is written there. So once it is finished, then you have to cover the cloth. For different examination, different clothes are there. I can show you here. So for class 10th, for class 10th, the cloth is blue color, and above blue color, if you are writing anything, yeah, you have to write the necessary things, the roll number, so and so, the subject, all these things. So that color will be red color for class 10. But for class 12th, you have to use pink color cloth to cover, then you have to use blue color ink to write. Okay, this is only for answer sheet. Okay, and this answer sheet is very important after writing all these things, so you keep aside the answer sheet. Next, the other necessary documents. I said 6 necessary documents. So these documents, already it is in your email. If it is not there, I am sharing this document in the description, you will find out. So there you will go to Appendix E. You can see here, it is written here, CBSE 66. Okay, CBSE 66 theory examination. This from here the document starts. Can you see this is Appendix E? So this is your Appendix E. E, F, G, H, I, all these 5 documents. So there what will happen, the century detail, please note down the things, century detail, students attendance sheet, sitting plan, and assistant superintendent's detail, and any benchmark disabilities, and if any special things, if unfair means this, all this paper one by one, everything should be filled and should be signed by the center superintendent, and the seal must be there, center superintendent seal, not the school seal, center superintendent seal with the exam center number, all the details should be written, and this all you can keep one polythene cover, polythene in the sense poly bag, right? So then answer sheet is completely covered with cloth, you should not change anything, you should not touch anything. Then the century should be there with answer sheet, the century should be there with answer sheet. Then after keeping all these things, again you can tie so that it will not move on here and there. Then you can keep some supporting cardboard something. Then after that, this everything will be covered with white cloth. Okay, the white cloth, I mean parcel cloth, the postal parcel cloth, that everything will be covered with postal parcel cloth. Then if it is there, then you can write the address there, and after that you can cover with something waterproof, some what do you call, waterproof covers are coming, polythene cover. I have given the description where you will get all this exam related material. I have given the link in the description. Still we have time, 3-4 days time, you can get in 1 day or 2 days. I have given the link in the description, you can buy online. It is not for any advertisement, this is for supporting and helping. You can find out, or if you are getting in the market, it's not a problem. So these are the things you have to share. And one thing remember, all this appendix E, F, G, H, whatever you are sharing, you have to make triple copy. One copy should be here, another copy, one copy will send with the answer sheet, next copy should be there with the school or the center, and another copy you will send at the end of the examination. Again you will be given one letter to send all these copies. So that time you have to send all the copies once again, point to be remembered. And along with all this answer sheet and document, you have to send unused answer question also. The same day, whatever the exam is conducted, same subject question paper, if it is not used, unused question paper, immediately that should be sent with the answer sheet. So these are the things are there. If you still face any difficulties, I have shared my WhatsApp number. Even you can find me in social media, Facebook, Insta, Telegram, anything. If you can write a message immediately, I can reply you. I can provide my support as according to my possibility. I can support you. So let us work together to make the exam successful. And always you remember, answer sheet is the main thing that will decide the future of the students. All other this appendix we can make copy, but answer sheet we cannot make copy, right? So we are not making Xerox copy, we are not copying the answer sheet. Answer sheet will go to the original, and appendix, all these things we have copies, we are making 2 copies, 3 copies, so we have copies. So that is, the answer sheet is very important, that should be dealt with very careful. I hope you got all the information. Still, if you find any doubt, you can write in the comment box, you can communicate with me. WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, many links are given. So thank you very much.